So still on Excel shortcuts, let's look at Ctrl H for finding something in your document and replacing it. You can use Ctrl F or Ctrl H. Say I don't know where a particular name is in my document. Say I'm looking for this name, Steven. Perhaps I've not spelled that name properly. I want to spell it correctly. So I'll press Ctrl H on my keyboard and I want to look for Steven in my data set, and I want to replace Steven with, say the correct spelling is Steven. I think some people spell Steven as S-T-P-H-E. So let's say this is the correct spelling, and I can click on replace all to replace this spelling with the new spelling, that's S-T-E-P-H-E-N. Click on replace all and that will replace everything for me. As you can see, Excel tells me that all done. We made 20 replacements. Steven appears 20 times in the entire Excel sheet. So that's how to find and replace. If you just want to find something, then you have to use the first option here. The next keyboard shortcut is Ctrl T. Now Ctrl T will help you quickly place your data into a table. So press Ctrl T and that will align the entire data set for you, and you can then check this checkbox that says my table has headers, then click on OK. You can see that your table has been formatted for you as a table. Now one thing you can also do is to use slicers on a table. What are slicers? Slicers are used to filter data, just like you can filter from this filter button here. To insert a slicer, you click on the design button here and you click on insert slicer. You'll be given the headers, order date, region, items, manager, and so on as your options. So you can then create slicers. You can create as many as possible. Let's create slicers based on region. Let's create slicers based on region, see managers, and the salesperson. Click on OK. So we'll get 3 slicers that we can work with. Let's take the slicers up. Take the slicers up. Let's take the slicers up. Okay, let's place the slicers here. Now, so I can then filter my data based on this, based on managers, based on salesperson. Say I want to confirm the sales according to Douglas as a manager. So I'll click on Douglas. Watch what happens to the table. Clicking on Douglas, so I get only the information according to only Douglas. If I click on Aman, I get only the sales according to only Aman, and so on. So to clear the slicers, click on this icon and click on this icon to clear the slicers and go back to the original table. Now the next one is large, so I would delete this slicer, right click and delete. The next keyboard shortcut is large. So you know, for you to get the maximum number in a range of cells, it's very easy. Use the max function. So equals to max, press the tab key and highlight the range of cells you want to confirm which number is the maximum number, then press enter. You can see that this is the maximum number. Now rather than using the, okay, say you want to get the second highest, you can't use max function again. So that's where the large function comes in. So press enter and type large on your keyboard. So the second largest number is what I want to confirm now. Press the tab key and you can see that the large function takes 2 inputs, the array and the position you want. I want the number 2 position, the number second largest figure from this array of numbers. So I will highlight this array of sales amount again. Now go up and you can see the next thing there is to press your comma. Then you want the second largest number in this range of numbers, so press enter. You can see that the second largest is 107,820. So if you want the third largest number, the same thing, click on equal sign, press large, press the tab key, highlight the entire range of cells you want to confirm which one is the third largest, highlight everything. Let's go back to the formula and press comma, and then want the third largest figure, press enter. You can see. Let's confirm the fourth largest, large, highlight everything. So it means that number appeared more than once, then comma, let's press 4, enter. Alright, so that's how to confirm which number comes first, second, third, or fourth. The next is Ctrl tilde. Ctrl tilde is used to confirm the formula that has been used in your Excel sheet. If I press Ctrl tilde, you see that the formulas will show, the entire formulas on my Excel sheet will show. And see the sales amount is gotten by multiplying F2 by Fg. These two cells multiplied together gives us this answer here. So that's the work of the Ctrl tilde keyboard shortcut. So let's stop there for now.